today we're making cottage cheese chocolate chip cookie dough. Now, if you don't love cottage cheese, give this recipe a try. I don't like cottage cheese, but this recipe is so good. It is a great balanced snack, and if you have a sweet tooth, you're gonna love this one. Let's get to it. And that's it, our cottage cheese cookie dough. Super easy. It kind of tastes like yellow cake batter, so if you like that, you are gonna love this recipe. It can double as a balanced snack, so I like using these little 8-ounce mason jars. Super easy to make, grab, and go. We want balanced snacks that have protein, carbs, and fats in them. You could also use this as a sweet treat. For this recipe and so many more, check out healthysubsnutrition.com.